Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can design professional wallpapers for yourself or for digital sales in Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, tap on the More icon here in the Canva app, and then you will see the Try Something New tab, the desktop wallpaper icon, and when you tap on it, Canva is going to generate for you an editing file which already has the exact size, type, and quality that you would need for a desktop wallpaper. Now from here you can either upload your own images from your computer. You can use images from the Canva library, which has tens of thousands of very high quality and professional images that you can use copyright free. And then you can go to templates, where you will find desktop wallpapers in many different categories that you can use and customize them. As you can see, there are autumn, cute wallpapers, nature wallpapers, floral, retro desktop wallpapers, spring desktop, and anything really. If you are looking for a specific niche that you would like to create wallpapers in, as you can see, Halloween, there are quite a lot of different choices. You can go and search them in the search bar. And from here, if you tap on one of these templates, you can go and customize it. You can change the background color, you can grab and change these design elements, you can add a different quote or remove a quote, or upload your own images. It's really that easy and simple, and it can look beautiful. So you can add even calendars to it. You can upload your own images. If you choose such wallpaper, you can just tap on these photos and that you can choose them to your own images. So there are quite a lot of different styles, and I'm sure that everyone can find the one that fits their style. And as I mentioned, when you choose one of these, you can customize it to your own. You can add your own text, your quotes, you can upload your own images to it. So it's really that easy. Focus. I like this one. It's very simple and focused. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.